Welcome back. Hope you're all fine and healthy. Dreams. It may be a small word to say and spell, but it has many hidden truths and doubts which are beyond science and imagination. But we usually don't think about it, do we? So, after a glimpse of research, we Cosmophates have come up with some of our observations. So, let's have a look on them.
So, do you wonder how dreams are formed? Guys, there are 4 stages of sleep. The fourth stage is called REM phase, which means rapidness of your eye movement. It occurs when brain activity is high and appears just like we are awake. So, this is the time we dream. But opinions about dreams varied by time and culture. The Freudian theory of dreams say dreams are formed to reveal hidden desires and emotions. Sigmund Freud, who developed the psychological disciplines of psychoanalysis, claimed dreams are indications of one's deepest desires. Guys, whatever it might be, theory without proof is unacceptable.
Why we mostly forget our dreams? Everyone dreams, right? 90% of all our dreams are quickly forgotten shortly after waking up. What might be the reason? According to a theory, dreams are difficult to remember. This says that in brain, frontal lobes is the area which plays a key role in memory formation. Brain scans of sleeping individuals by showing that these frontal lobes are inactive during rapid eye movement sleep, the stage in which dreaming also occurs. Thus, when the changes in brain occurs during sleep, these lobes do not support the information processing and storage needed for memory formation. So that's the reason we mostly forget our dreams after waking up.
Nextly, does dreams really try to speak with us? The neurobiological theory, activation synthesis hypothesis, which was proposed by Harvard psychiatrists John Allen Hobson and Robert McCarley, states they are just electrical impulses that pull random thoughts and images from our memory. So clearly, this states that humans construct dream stories when they wake up. And guys, if you have dreamed of dead person talking to you, it means any of your friend or family member will gonna ask you some advice, which is according to hypothesis.
Is lucid dreaming possible? A lucid dream is one in which you are aware of your dreaming even though you are still asleep. In short, this dreaming is interaction of conscious and subconscious mind during REM sleep. In this stage, you can control your dream content. Approximately half of all people can remember experiencing at least one instance of lucid dreaming, and some are able to have it quite frequently either. That's the reason we can able to remember some dreams that occur just before our wake up.
Guys, to conclude, let's keep the theory of dreams aside. We have to understand that some things in nature may not have a reason, which are unable to catch even in the view of science, because explaining natural phenomenon might not be up to humans' intelligence.